In today's modern game, decisions come down to the tightest of margins. That's why having UAV technology and using an aerial perspective is vital. Today we are down at Loughborough University with the PGMOL. We are innovating their performance analysis with UAV technology. We're making it quicker and we're getting a different perspective so they can be better at what they do.
We've been working with copters for about 12 months now. The drones have been a bit of a game changer because it allows us to give sort of real-time feedback as well as in the classroom once the session's over.
Historically, we'd have a fixed camera which has got its value, but it's also got its limitations, and the ability now to film more information from better angles has revolutionised what we're doing. Crucial factors for assistant referees is their positioning. So the aerial view gives us a brilliant perspective on where they are relative to where they need to be to judge offsides.
We can look at the referee's positioning, the AR's movement, patterns of play from the teams, and it just gives us that different perspective. We can utilise different angles, we can change what we do in terms of the session at a drop of a hat. We can look to create scenarios and use the angles to benefit the officials.
We can be flexible in the type of sessions that we do. So with one fixed camera, we can only make one type of judgment within the range of the camera, where we can set up different drills so assistant referees can do bespoke training relative to their needs by just shifting the view of the camera.
It helps logistically as well in terms of you don't have to lug around a load of equipment. You take the drones out of the case, you put them on the floor, you set them up, they're flying, and we can be reactive to what situations we want to create. We're always looking to innovate and develop the way we deliver training to our officials and their feedback, and copters understood that, and it's just been a really, really positive working relationship.